Hey gang, it's Ashley here with an update on how to separate game chat from your game audio on your second PC onto your RODECaster so that you have game chat and game audio on separate faders that you can control on your RODECaster. Now, I have 4 different ways to accomplish this. Let's start with the easiest. As you can see in this diagram, this is our standard configuration. If you look at my latest RODECaster setup guide, this is what we ended up with our configuration. As you can see, on our game PC, we have our game chat audio and our game audio both coming back into the RODECaster over USB 2. Now, as long as you have an extra combo jack available on your RODECaster Duo or your RODECaster Pro II, all you need to do is take that game chat and assign that to line out instead of headphones RODECaster Pro II or headphones RODECaster Duo. Then from there, we're going to plug that into the RODECaster on our Combo 2. Now, you could use Combo 3 or you could use Combo 4, or you could create a stereo pair if you have a RODECaster Pro II. You could create a stereo pair out of 2 and 3 or 3 and 4 and bring it in stereo if you like, but that's not necessary. Now to do this, we need a stereo to mono cable because coming out of the game PC, we have a 1/8 inch stereo output and we need to feed that to a 1/4 mono input into the RODECaster because that is not a stereo input. So you go on Amazon and you get yourself a 1/8 stereo to 1/4 inch mono cable. And you should also make sure you use a ground loop isolator always when you're connecting analog cables out of your PC to the RODECaster because it will eliminate most noise that is coming from your noisy PC, and they are noisy beasts. So I highly recommend getting that ground loop isolator as well. But anyway, so you get your cable, you run it from line out from the PC into Combo 2 on the RODECaster. And then here's the change you need to make on the RODECaster. We assign Combo 2 to whichever fader we like. Then we go into Combo 2 and we change the type of input it is to a line level input. Make sure we don't have any processing turned on. And that's it. You now have game chat audio coming into the Combo 2 input into the RODECaster. And you can route that fader then out to your headphones and your stream or recording audio. And that's it. It's as simple as that, gang. Now, like I said, I have some other more elegant ways to do this without using cables. Head on over to the Patreon. There's a link in the description to the video, and you can check out the #1 easiest way to do this without using any extra cables. This is Ashy signing out. I will see you on the line later, or I will see you on another time. Peace.